Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back live at Publix, about to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. So this week at Publix is a little bit interesting to me because we have some really good deals going on, but a lot of these deals are not food deals, you guys. So we at the grocery store, but these are really like a lot of household deals, but we do have a few food deals sprinkled in here. This first one I'm actually so sad about because I literally only have one of the coupons that is needed for this deal, but hopefully you have more than I do. And that is on the White Cloud tissue. So these are $9.99. So they're gonna ring out for $5 a piece. But we had this Blinky coupon that has been in front of the product for like 3 weeks. And I did not pull a whole lot of those. I literally have one of those coupons, you guys. So I'll be able to get one package for $1.50. Next that we're grabbing is on the Scotty's 4-pack tissue. So these are $6.99 this week, but they're buy one, get one free. So we're gonna pay $3.49 for one. And then we have $1.57. Yes, an odd amount, but $1.57 coupon on these that makes it only $1.92 after that coupon. So not a bad deal for a 4-pack of tissue. Now I'm gonna be grabbing some of the Dixie paper plates. Paper plates have gotten really high lately to me, so I like to try to catch a sale whenever I can because we do use a lot of them. So these are 2 for $5 this week, and we have $1.50 off of 2 printable coupon that we're going to be using to make them 2 for $3.50. Now we have a nice food deal on the Chobani this week. These are buy one get one free for $5.39. So we still have this $1 coupon in front of the product that will make them $3.39 for 2. And then I'm going to submit over to Ibotta for $1 back, and that is going to make my final cost $1.19. Now let's grab these 4 packs of Dan & Zero sugar. So these are $4.99, buy one get one free. Picking up 2 for $4.99, you can get back a total of $4 on Ibotta, making them only 49 cents each. So today we got a brand new 5 off of 20 Glade digital coupon that is really awesome. It works on the Ziploc bags that are buy one get one free this week. I've already gotten some of those early this morning after I dropped my son off from school, but today I'm going to do my deal a little bit different, and I'm going to actually add in some Windex because we don't get to grab Windex that much. So I'm going to get 2 of these Windex cleaners since they are $1 off, and they are included in that coupon as the first 2 items of my deal. And then to complete my Ziploc and Glad deal, we're going to pick up 3 of the Ziploc bags. These are buy one get one free for $4.79. So we'll pick up 3 to use that 5 off of 20 coupon. So I live in Half BOGO in the state of Georgia, which means that all of my buy one get one free items do ring up for half price, meaning they don't ring up for buy one at full price and the next one rings out for 0. So because of that, I'm able to buy items in odd amounts. But if you live in true BOGO, meaning that your items actually ring up for 0 and full price, then you want to tweak this deal to make it work for your scenario. But in this scenario, I'm going to be picking up 3 of the Ziploc bags. They are $4.79, buy one get one free. The Windex are $4.29, and I will save $1 instantly with the $1 off sale. So we have to go based on the prices that are pre-sale in order to calculate how much we need to buy for the 5 off of 20 coupon. All 5 of those items together do total me up to $22.95. So we are way over that $20 mark for that $5 to come off. Now all 3 of the Ziploc bags will ring out for $2.39 after the sale, and then the 2 Windex cleaners will ring out for $3.29 after the sale. So that'll be $13.75. Then I'm going to save $5 with that coupon, making my final cost for all 5 items $8.75 or $1.75 per item. And to me, that's not bad at all because Windex is $4.12 at Walmart, and the Ziploc bags are very pricey as well. Now, a cheaper way to do this deal is to buy all Ziplocs. So if I was to buy a total of 5 of the Ziplocs at $2.39 times 5, that'll total me up to just $11.95. Then I would save $5 with that coupon, bringing my total down to just $6.95 for all 5 of these, making them $1.39 each. So that is an option as well if you don't want the Windex. Just pick up 5 of the bags if you're in a half BOGO for $1.39 a piece. We'll have the same deal going last week that we have on the Eggland's Best Hard-Boiled Eggs. If you want to grab those, you can still pick up 2 of them for $6.78. Use 2 of the 50-cent coupons, pay $5.78. Submit over to Swag Bucks for $3 and submit over to Checkout 51 for $2.18, making them just 30 cents per bag. So next deal up is on the Dove deodorant. This is a really good deal this week. If you still have your 5 off of 3 digital coupon, you can do this deal all digital. If you live in half BOGO, these are $1.99 each after the sale. So you can pick up 3 of them for $5.97. Use that 5 off of 3 digital and makes these only 33 cents each. Now, if you already used that digital coupon or you didn't clip it in time, we still have $1.50 printable coupons that you can use on this deal as well. After the printable coupons, it makes these only 50 cents each. So the next thing I'm going to be grabbing is the Magnum. Now the reason I'm grabbing the Magnum is because I'm going to use 2 of these to complete my spend 20, get $6 on Unilever product offer on Fetch Rewards. So the 3 deodorants that I'm picking up with that 5 off of 3 digital will count as the first $12 for my deal, and then these 2 will count towards another $12, giving me over $20. So I'm going to get back a total of $6 picking up the 3 Dove deodorants and 2 of these Magnum bars. Now for the Magnum, I'm going to get 2 boxes that are $5.99, buy one get one free. So 2 of them will cost $5.99. I do have $1 printable coupons that'll make them 2 for $3.99. We also have $1 back on each on Ibotta that will make them just 99 cents before Fetch is factored in. After Fetch is factored in, these babies will be a moneymaker. The next item I wanted to grab was some of the Johnson's baby products. Just like with the White Cloud, we have had this $2 Blinky coupon in front of the product for a long time, and I've been slowly collecting these. I should have been slowly collecting the White Cloud as well, but I have been picking these up whenever I'm in the store, and so I have quite a few of these $2 coupons now that I'm going to use on this deal now that these are on sale. And if you don't have the Blinky coupons, you can still get $2 coupons for this deal by signing up on the Aveeno website. So go to the Aveeno website. On this page, you want to select that box that says baby and kid skincare. When you select that and enter in that information, it is going to email you a $2 coupon that is good for Aveeno and Johnson's baby products. So that's another way to get this $2 coupon in a printable form if you don't have these Blinkies. These products are as low as like $3, $4. The regular size products are $4.99 up to like $6, $7 and some change. So you can just mix and match depending on what you want. So I decided to pick up 2 of the products that were in that $4.79 to $4.99 range, and then 2 that were $6.39. But you can pick up like 3 of the $4.99 products and then 1 of the $6 products. But you want to get to at least $20 before the sale is applied, because we're going to be submitting back for this Activate Rewards rebate. So if you were to pick up 3 of the products that are $4.79 plus 1 that is $6.39, that would be the cheapest way to do this deal. That would put you at $20.76. You're going to save a total of $6 at the register because of the buy 2 get $3 off sale. That's going to bring you down to $14.76. Then you're also going to save $8 with your manufacturer coupons. That will bring you down to $6.76. And then you can submit over for your Johnson's Activate Rewards rebate for $5 since you're buying $20 worth, and that will make your final cost just $1.76 for all 4. Now, since I got 2 of the $6.39 products, my total before the sale was $22.56. After saving $6 with the sale, that brought me down to $16.56. Then I saved $8 with my coupons. That brought me down to $8.56. And then I got back the $5 I submitted over to Activate Rewards. And that made my final cost for all 4 just $3.56. When you divide that up by 4 products, that comes out to just 89 cents a piece. And with the Activate Rewards, since there is an option to spend 30, get back 10, if you want to, you can pick up 6 of these products instead and then submit over for the $10 rebate, and they will work out to around the same cost. If you still have your Pillsbury digital coupons, These babies are back on sale this week. I have so many biscuits. I decided to get some dinner rolls today. This is a new product that I wanted to try out. So since I only have the 5 off of 15 on this account, I'm only going to be picking up 4 of these today. But if you still also have the $1.25 off of 3 digital in addition to that 5 off of 15, then you want to pick up at least 5 products. But since I have only the 5 off of 15, we're just going to be picking up 4. So since these products are priced at $3.79 normally, $3.79 times 4 is $15.16. So we are in the clear to get that $5 off. We're going to divide that amount in half to account for the buy one get one free sale. That is going to bring us down to just $7.58. Then I'm going to save $5 with that coupon. That's going to bring me down to $2.58. I'm also going to be submitting over to Ibotta for $3 in cash back. After that $3 in cash back, my final cost is going to be free plus a 42-cent moneymaker on all 4 of these, and that does not include any fetch rebates that you may also have as well. The Arm & Hammer toothpaste is buy one get one free this week at $4.99. So you can pick up 2 of them for $4.99. Submit over to Ibotta for $2 back on each one. That will make your final cost just 50 cents each. I did not have this hero seeded bread. This is usually carried in the deli and not the bread section, but these are on sale for $5. We have a $2 digital coupon and we also have $2.50 back on Ibotta. That will make this just 50 cents. These Back to Nature nuts are buy one get one for $7.89, which means they're $3.84 each, and we have $2 back on Ibotta, making them $1.84 per bag. I have not been doing this deal on the Berea pasta for the past couple weeks because I am drowning in pasta, you guys. I don't know about you, but I have so much pasta in my pantry right now from all of these deals that we have had at Publix. But once again, we have some free pasta that you can pick up. So these are not on sale. They're $2.59 each. But we have a number of different offers. So I have a buy one get one free digital coupon, or you might have a 2 off of 2, or you might have both like I do. I think at bare minimum that buy one get one free will come off, leaving you to pay $2.59 for 2. And then you can submit over to Ibotta. We have 75 cents back on each one. So that'll bring you down to $1.09. But then on Shopkick, we have some brand new rebates that are giving back 66 cents for each one. So it's 150 kicks. So when you subtract that out, these are going to be free plus a small moneymaker, and may even be a bigger moneymaker if you have some additional offers or fetch rewards. A freebie that we have at Publix this week is the Raid Light Trap. This is another place you can pick this up. So these are $19.99, but we have $10 back on ShopMium. And we also have $10 back on Ibotta that will make one of these completely free. So this is everything that I'm going to be grabbing today. I'm actually going to be splitting this up into 2 transactions. I'm going to be doing my rebate deal for Activate Rewards on a separate transaction with the Dove deodorant. The reason I want to do that separate is with rebates, I don't like my receipts to be super duper long. So we're going to do that off separately. And here is my receipt for that transaction. I got the Califia Farms creamer. This was still marked on BOGO in my store, but that sale actually ended yesterday, so I ended up getting it free with the Publix Promise. If you're not familiar with the Publix Promise, when something is mispriced in your store or mistagged, you get that item for completely free. So that was free, and I also submitted over to Merrifield, and I got back $1 for it, making it a $1 moneymaker, which I was excited about because I really like that creamer. And then I got the Dove deodorants, and I also got the Johnson's products. After all of my coupons, I paid out $9.54 in that transaction, and then I submitted over for my $5 rebate and got back the $1 from Merrifield, making that transaction cost $3.54. And then my second transaction with everything else, I paid out $28.62 after my coupons. I got back $10 from Ibotta, and then I also got back $6.12 from Fetch Rewards. That made my final cost for that transaction only $12.50. So when you add in that $3.54 with the $12.50, I paid out $16.04 for this entire basket, which I think is pretty amazing for everything that we got. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.